Hello guys and welcome back. So in this video I will tell you that how you can use Chat GPT for education. So let's suppose that you are a student and you want to learn any uh, uh, any difficult topic, so you can use this tool. Okay, so let's suppose that uh, let's explain me Newton's first law of motion in easy way with examples. So hit enter. Now it will explain the Newton's first law of motion in easy way with examples. Newton's first law of motion, also known as the law of inertia, states that an object at rest will remain at blah 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 blah, and it will give you like brief explanation on this. Okay, you just have to sit and watch. Here are a couple of examples. A book sitting on a table. The book is at rest and is not moving, or according to Newton's first law it will stay at rest until a force is applied to it. We have added an easy way here, so it's actually gives us these easy examples here. So let's do something. Explain with examples, with easy examples, like something about maths. Explain with easy examples the quadratic equation. Sorry for the mistakes. The quadratic equation. Explain with easy examples. The quadratic equation is a type of equation that can be written in the form of ax 2 plus bx plus c is equal to 0. I hate maths. I hate maths. Here's an example to say. Consider the example. Now it will actually give you an example, and it will try as much as possible to keep things easy for you. And so that's how you can use Chat GPT for the education purposes. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.